In our national capital, it's Arvind Kejriwal who's now claiming that there were fake supporters at Home Minister Amit Shah's rally. Arvind Kejriwal has posted a video of fake BJP supporters. BJP supporters in the video that you can see are actually Aam Aadmi Party supporters. This is a big claim being made by Arvind Kejriwal, who's posted a video on X. And he's saying that the BJP supporters were paid 400 rupees each to come to the rally that was being held by Home Minister Amit Shah in the New Delhi constituency. BJP supporters that one can see in the video are actually Aam Aadmi Party supporters. Arvind Kejriwal said that fake BJP supporters were brought in just to show that people of the national capital are all set to vote for the BJP, and this was done for Home Minister Amit Shah's rally in New Delhi constituency.
कहाँ गए थे तुम लोग?
ये वाल्मीकि बस्ती।
कौन आया हुआ था वहाँ पे?
अमित शाह जी।
कौन?
अमित शाह।
अमित शाह बीजेपी।
हाँ बीजेपी। हाँ, और वो था क्या नाम है लेडीज का?
बासुरी स्वराज।
बासुरी स्वराज। और सुनील यादव।
कहाँ से गए थे?
अध्यक्ष।
कहाँ से गए थे तुम?
हम लोग गए थे कालीवाड़ी से, मंगलपुरी से आए हुए थे।
कितने पैसे दिए गए थे?
400 दिहाड़ी।
एक बंदे को
400 पैसा मिला, साथ में टी शर्ट मिला, एक कैप मिला, एक चड्डा मिला, फेंक दिया।
तुम्हें भी पैसा मिला? कितने पैसे? 400 मिला। 400
अभी मिलेगा।
My colleague Amit Bharadwaj is now joining me on the story. Amit, we are seeing it's a bitter battle that is being fought. Even though it's a triangular battle in the national capital, the main opponents are the Aam Aadmi Party and the BJP. And with this video, Arvind Kejriwal is trying to say that BJP does not have support on the ground. All that they are doing is making sure that they get people in the rally so that it seems like the BJP has a lot of support on the ground.
Well, Aishwarya, this is election season, and such political attacks are very natural for political parties to, point at each other, whether it be the Aam Aadmi Party, the BJP, because normally what happens is that any political party and its organizational strength wants to put up a grand show whenever senior leaders of the party come for rallies or road show. And usually from different part of the national capital, people are brought in because unlike other states, what happens in Delhi is that you really don't have big numbers turning up in a particular constituency, and there are sympathizers and voters who want to chip in from other areas as well, and the organization works in that particular way as well. And it is very natural, in given any election, assembly election, you and I know that every political party come up with such videos to claim that, look, hired people, hired workers were taken to the rally of certain leader, and this is no exception to it. Arvind Kejriwal claiming that in HM Amit Shah's rally, people were hired from Mangolpuri, a distant area of the national capital, for a rally which was slated in New Delhi assembly segment, and they were paid money to come to this particular rally. In fact, Arvind Kejriwal also going on to claim that these are Aam Aadmi Party voters. But having said that, it remains a fact that in every election we see such claims coming from the leaders that their political opponent in their big rallies, the crowd which is being pulled in is actually they are paid workers and not natural crowd. Back to you.
Thank you, Amit, for giving us those details, putting things in perspective. Praveen Shankar Kapoor, Delhi BJP spokesperson, is now joining me on the story. प्रवीण जी, आपसे ये जानना चाहूंगी, देखिए अरविंद केजरीवाल ने एक वीडियो पोस्ट किया और उन्होंने ये कहा कि जो भीड़ आई थी होम मिनिस्टर अमित शाह की रैली में, वो लोग तो आम आदमी पार्टी सपोर्टर्स थे और उन्हें 400 रुपए दिए गए।
चलिए, शुक्र है उन्होंने ये कहा कि जो भीड़ रैली में आई वो पैसे से आई, मगर क्या वो जवाब देंगे कि वो तो पैसे से वोटर लाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं। लगातार देखा गया कि नई दिल्ली में किस तरीके से कॉलोनी कॉलोनी, बस्ती बस्ती बाहर से लाए हुए लोगों की भीड़ें दिखाई दे रही हैं। लगातार हमने देखा, आपके चैनल ने भी दिखाया कि मोती नगर में एक खुली पटरी पे वोट पंजीकृत करा लिए गए, खुली पटरी पर जहां कोई छत भी नहीं थी। हमने लगातार देखा पटपड़गंज में, जिसे मनीष सिसोदिया छोड़ के भागे हैं, वहां किस तरह ऐसे लोगों के वोट बनाए गए जो वहां रहते ही नहीं। एक कमरे के घर में 60-60 और 80-80 वोट बना लिए गए। ये सब क्या है केजरीवाल जी? जवाब अब आपको बहुत सारे देने हैं। इतना घबरा गए हो कि मोदी जी और अमित शाह जी की पॉपुलैरिटी से क्या आप कहते हो कि पैसे दे के भीड़ लाई जा रही है? कुछ तो शर्म कीजिए भाई, कुछ तो शर्म कीजिए। जनता को 5 तारीख के बाद जवाब इतने देने हैं कि देते देते थक जाओगे।
जी, बातचीत करने के लिए बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया प्रवीण जी। That was Praveen Shankar Kapoor, Delhi BJP spokesperson, who's now saying that the answers are not being sought from BJP, they are being sought by the Aam Aadmi Party, and the result will tell everyone who really has won the Delhi elections and who's at the hearts of people.